The question is, how does one repair a large interstitial rotator cuff tear such as this? A diagnostic arthroscopy is done to ensure that the articular side and bursal side of the rotator cuff are intact. A thorough bursectomy is performed using a full radius shaver. The bursal tissue is collected with an Arthrex graft net. An 18-gauge spinal needle and a syringe loaded with normal saline is inserted into the tendon and a bubble sign is performed. This confirms the large interstitial rotator cuff tear that was seen on MRI. The sagittal MRI helps us identify our anchor insertion points. 2 Arthrex 2.6 knotless fiber tack suture anchors are inserted into the greater tuberosity in a transtendinous fashion. As the reconstruction is being performed, the collected bursal tissue is mixed with platelet-rich plasma. This is loaded into a syringe with a 2E needle. A small hole through the bursal side of the rotator cuff is created. The reconstruction is completed using an interlocking double pulley technique. Prior to completing the reconstruction, the 2E needle is inserted into the interstitial defect and the bursal tissue and PRP are injected into the tear. As the needle is removed, the reconstruction is cinched tight, completing the repair and leaving a biologic bubble in place.